Today I'm going to be replacing the normal halogen bulbs on a Volkswagen Passat with some LED lights from AUXITO. These are the H7 LED bulbs. They're supposed to be a direct replacement. Alright, so in the box there's a manual and the lights. Just for reference, this is one of the bulbs currently in the car. This is just an old one that I took out, just so we can kind of get a closer look at what they look like. So right next to each other. Look very similar in size. Right now for the low beam location, they're going to be located right over here behind this little rubber cover. These are your high beams. You don't want to get those too confused. Right here we can get a closer look at the low beams. Now the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to remove the little rubber cover there. So let's do that first. Here we go. Snaps right off. Once you remove the lower beams headlight cover, you want to reach in and you're going to grab this plastic holder and you're going to turn it counterclockwise. Give it about a quarter turn or so, and then that's just going to release it. You want to just pull it back carefully and it should just come out just like this. To remove the bulb, you just want to pull on this. It should just come right off just like that. When putting in these LED lights, or any headlights for that matter for this car, there is a notch right here on the holder, and that matches with this here on the bulb. So it goes just like that, this bulb. Now for the LED, you want to do the same. Look for that notch and match it up with this piece of metal right here. And then you want to put the headlight bulb back into the socket, just like that. And there we go. Here's a quick comparison. On the left is the standard bulb, and on the right is the LED bulb. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.